Have you ever looked at a rusty piece of metal or a pile of old wood scraps and thought, what could anyone possibly do with this? Maybe it's an old wrench covered in rust, a bent piece of steel, a weathered pallet board, a handful of hardwood offcuts left over from another project. Most people see clutter. Some people see garbage. A craftsman sees opportunity. That's the incredible thing about creative design. It doesn't begin with expensive materials. It begins with imagination. Some of the most beautiful pieces of home decor don't come from luxury furniture stores or designer showrooms. They begin their journey in junk piles, construction dumpsters, abandoned barns, old workshops, or forgotten corners of a garage. The secret isn't finding perfect materials. The secret is learning to recognize hidden potential. Welcome back, creative minds. Today at Decor Ideas, whether you love woodworking or chic home decor, this project will inspire you. Stick around, grab your tools, and let's build something unique and beautiful together. You won't want to miss this. Today we're exploring how scrap metal and reclaimed can become elegant, functional home decor that looks handcrafted, modern, and surprisingly expensive. You don't need industrial machinery. You don't need a professional woodworking shop. And you certainly don't need premium hardwoods that cost a fortune. Instead, we're going to discover how thoughtful design, careful craftsmanship, and sustainable thinking can transform ordinary leftovers into extraordinary works of art. Because sustainable craftsmanship isn't about making do with less. It's about creating more with what already exists. Once you begin seeing materials this way, every offcut, every rusty bracket, every forgotten hinge, and every discarded board becomes a possibility waiting to happen. Let's begin at its elevation. One of the first lessons every maker discovers is that contrast creates beauty. Think about the homes featured in today's interior design magazines. Warm wood, black steel, natural textures, clean lines, minimal decoration. This combination appears everywhere because our eyes naturally enjoy contrast. Smooth surfaces next to rough textures, warm timber against cool metal, organic grain beside industrial steel. Scrap materials provide these contrasts naturally. Weathered wood already carries years of texture. Old metal already possesses unique character through rust, oxidation, and wear. Instead of hiding these qualities, great designers celebrate them. That's where sustainable decor becomes truly exciting. Rather than trying to erase history, it incorporates history into the final design. Imagine taking a worn pallet board and pairing it with reclaimed steel brackets. Suddenly, the wood doesn't look old. It looks intentional. The metal doesn't look rusty. It looks industrial. The combination feels balanced, modern, sophisticated. The transformation begins not in the workshop, but in the way we see the material. This change in perspective is perhaps the greatest tool any craftsman can develop. Before a single cut is made, before a single screw is tightened, the project already exists as an idea. And ideas are far more valuable than expensive equipment. Many beginners believe that creating high-end home decor requires costly machinery, large table saws, industrial welders, CNC routers, professional finishing booths. While those tools certainly have their place, they're not what makes a project beautiful. Design does. Precision does. Attention to detail does. The world's greatest furniture makers didn't become respected because they owned the biggest machines. They became respected because they understood proportion, balance, and craftsmanship. Those principles remain exactly the same whether you're working with premium walnut or reclaimed fence boards. As you begin collecting materials, something remarkable happens. The workshop transforms into a library of possibilities. Small metal gears begin suggesting clock-inspired wall art. Old bolts resemble decorative accents. Reclaimed nails become artistic details. Steel rods hint at geometric sculptures. Meanwhile, wood scraps quietly wait for their own transformation. Short pieces become bases. Thin strips become frames. Natural grain becomes decoration. Nothing feels random anymore. Every leftover has potential. Every offcut has a future. This mindset dramatically changes the creative process. Instead of asking, "What can I buy?" you begin asking, "What can I build?" That simple question unlocks incredible creativity. As projects begin taking shape, Another important principle emerges. Simplicity almost always wins. Many people assume artistic home decor must be complicated. In reality, some of the most expensive-looking pieces are surprisingly simple. A clean wooden panel, a few carefully placed steel elements, balanced proportions, beautiful lighting, minimal decoration. Luxury often whispers rather than shouts. That's why modern interior design embraces restraint. Instead of overwhelming a room, great decor quietly enhances it. Scrap materials naturally support this philosophy. The wood already contains interesting grain. The metal already carries authentic texture. The materials provide personality. The design simply organizes that personality into something meaningful. As construction progresses, craftsmanship becomes increasingly visible. Edges become smoother. Surfaces become cleaner. Connections become stronger. Are you enjoying this video? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Decor Ideas for more decor and woodworking inspiration. Share this video with someone who loves woodworking. Let's create and decorate together. Small details begin separating handmade quality from rushed construction. This is where patience becomes one of the most valuable tools in the workshop. Sanding isn't glamorous. Cleaning metal isn't exciting. Preparing reclaimed wood takes time. But these invisible steps determine the final impression. People notice quality immediately, even if they can't explain why. A beautifully prepared surface simply feels different. The finished piece communicates care, and care creates value. One fascinating aspect of combining wood and metal is that each material strengthens the other visually. Wood softens steel. Steel sharpens wood. Together, they create balance. This explains why industrial modern interiors remain so popular year after year. The style feels grounded, warm, authentic, timeless. Unlike short-lived decorating trends, natural materials rarely go out of fashion. They age gracefully. They develop character. They become more interesting over time. Scrap materials excel in this regard because they already possess history. Instead of waiting decades for patina, they're already carrying it. Every scratch becomes texture. Every weathered edge becomes detail. Every imperfection becomes authenticity. As decorative projects evolve, functionality begins playing an equally important role. The best home decor rarely exists purely for appearance. Beautiful trays organize countertops. Wall organizers reduce clutter. Shelves display treasured objects. Planters introduce greenery. Lamps create atmosphere. Mirrors expand visual space. Furniture supports everyday life. When beauty and usefulness work together, people naturally value the object more. That's one reason handcrafted decor continues attracting homeowners. It solves problems while enriching the environment. This combination creates lasting appeal. Another rewarding aspect of sustainable craftsmanship is storytelling. Imagine a guest admiring a beautiful wall sculpture. They ask where it came from. Instead of naming a retail store, you smile and explain. The wood came from an old barn. The steel came from discarded machinery. The hardware was reclaimed from an abandoned workshop. Suddenly, the object carries meaning. Its history becomes part of the conversation. Mass-produced furniture rarely offers that experience. Handmade projects do. Every piece becomes personal. Every creation reflects imagination rather than manufacturing. This emotional connection often matters more than the object itself. People remember stories, and handcrafted decor tells remarkable ones. As more makers embrace reclaimed materials, another positive effect appears. Waste decreases. Perfectly usable resources remain in circulation. Construction debris finds new purpose. Old furniture contributes to new creations. The environmental impact grows gradually through countless individual choices. Each project may seem small, but together they represent a different philosophy. One that values creativity over consumption, repair over replacement, transformation over disposal. These values increasingly resonate with modern homeowners. People want homes filled with meaningful objects, not simply expensive ones. As finishing begins, perhaps the most dramatic transformation occurs. Natural oils deepen grain patterns. Wax highlights texture. Metal receives protective coatings while preserving its character. The materials suddenly come alive. Wood glows warmly. Steel reflects subtle light. The entire composition gains richness. It's difficult to believe these materials once belonged in a scrap pile. And that's exactly the point. Great craftsmanship reveals hidden beauty. It doesn't manufacture it. The beauty was always present. The craftsman simply uncovered it. Standing back and viewing the completed project often produces a unique satisfaction. Not because the object is perfect, but because it represents possibility. Possibility discovered within discarded material. Possibility created through patience. Possibility realized through thoughtful design. This feeling explains why so many people become passionate about woodworking and metalworking. The workshop becomes a place of transformation, not only for materials, but for ideas, confidence, skills. Every completed project teaches something valuable. Every mistake becomes experience. Every success encourages the next challenge. Over time, creativity becomes less intimidating. Instead of searching endlessly for inspiration, inspiration begins appearing everywhere. An old bicycle chain suggests a sculpture. A rusted horseshoe hints at wall decor. A weathered beam inspires furniture. Nothing remains ordinary. Everything contains potential. This creative awareness extends beyond the workshop. You begin noticing craftsmanship in everyday life. You appreciate thoughtful construction. You admire clever design. You recognize quality. These observations naturally improve your own work. Because good craftsmanship always leaves clues. The more you study them, the more your own skills develop. Eventually, projects become increasingly ambitious. Simple decorative objects evolve into furniture. Furniture evolves into statement pieces. Statement pieces become centerpieces. The workshop grows alongside the maker, not necessarily through bigger machines, but through greater understanding, greater confidence, greater creativity. And that's perhaps the most inspiring lesson of all. Expensive equipment doesn't guarantee extraordinary work. Creative thinking does. Patience does. Practice does. Sustainable craftsmanship proves this repeatedly. Time after time, reclaimed materials become elegant home decor. Time after time, discarded objects become treasured possessions. Time after time, simple workshops produce remarkable results. Because craftsmanship has never been measured by the price of tools. It's measured by the care invested in the work. So the next time you see a rusty piece of metal lying beside an old wooden board, don't ask whether it's worth saving. Ask what it could become. Could it become a modern shelf? Decorative wall sculpture? A stylish table lamp? A unique planter? Beautiful candle holder? An artistic clock? A rustic serving tray? The answer depends less on the materials and more on your imagination. That's the true beauty of sustainable design. It doesn't demand perfection. It rewards creativity. It encourages resourcefulness. It celebrates craftsmanship. And perhaps most importantly, it reminds us that value isn't always found in something new. Sometimes it's hidden inside something forgotten, waiting patiently for someone willing to see its potential. That's what makes scrap metal and reclaimed wood so remarkable. They aren't simply leftovers from yesterday. They're the beginning of tomorrow's most beautiful home decor. They prove that elegance doesn't come from spending more. It comes from seeing more, from creating more, from appreciating more. And once you understand that, you'll never look at a pile of scrap the same way again. Because what others call waste, a maker calls inspiration. And inspiration, when combined with thoughtful craftsmanship and sustainable design, can transform the simplest materials into lasting works of art that brighten homes, spark conversations, and remind us that the most meaningful creations often begin where everyone else stopped looking. That's all for today's Decor Ideas episode. I hope you're feeling inspired to create something amazing. Subscribe and stay connected for more woodworking and decor projects. Until next time, keep creating.